Halo, Semeton cerita dari desa. Nah, kali ini ceritanya adalah kami kedatangan seorang chef yang berasal dari Afrika Selatan, tapi dia itu buka resto di Sydney gitu ya. Nah, ini nih ceritanya nih. Pagi itu diawali dari dia kami ajak ke depan warung nasi untuk mencari ikan yang bakal dipakai untuk sarapan. Sesimpel itu.
And have you found you enjoy teaching people as well? Because it's quite special to share knowledge like this.
Yes.
Yes.
Setelah itu dia kami ajak untuk melintas di pasar desa. Pasar desa yang dekat dengan Pura Agung dengan background yang sangat indah. Seperti ini.
Okay. And this is all homemade knives?
This is a Balinese knife.
Yeah.
And this is a mix. Japanese.
Yes. Proper. So good. One of these youngsters that are good with gaming and stuff and then train it up. So what is this one?
Tua. We call tua.
Tua.
Nektar nektar juice.
Nectar juice. Yeah, that's refreshing.
Chef ini namanya Charlene dan dia banyak bercerita tentang kampung halamannya di Afrika Selatan. Ternyata banyak kesamaan, teman-teman. Lalu kami buatkan kopi sebagai awalan untuk sarapan gitu.
1 year
Yeah,
become
that's
vinegar.
it's very good. Pineapple vinegar, coconut vinegar, beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, coconut. I want to
You
try
got?
make coconut vinegar.
Yeah. You know what as well? I'll introduce you to some cultures that makes vinegar quicker. It's called kefir culture. It looks like little pieces of cauliflower. I'll show you a picture.
Cauliflower.
And then you put in the coconut water
Yeah.
with the sugar, and it becomes vinegar very quickly. Like not as long as the
Yeah, yeah,
slow
yeah, yeah, yeah.
process. Yeah. So
How
it's,
many longs, maybe?
It
Months
depending on the obviously also the weather.
Ah.
It can be like a month or so. There will be vinegar.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a culture called kefir. You get like water kefir. The water kefir makes it actually sparkly, so it becomes a beautiful drink. Yeah. That's delicious.
Nah, dari banyaknya kesamaan itu akhirnya kami bertukar tentang tips and tricks gitu ya, termasuk cara membuat cuka. Lalu ikan bakarnya udah jadi dan langsung kami nikmati.
If you need salt.
Bit of salt. Yeah.
It with the
Yeah. You need to still go for it. Delicious.
Sarapan sederhana dengan teman baru membuat hati bahagia, lalu kami lanjutkan aktivitas berikutnya.
mulai. One.
So, I'm gonna try and create this spice box. This is next level. Huh? Proper.
Proper.
I'll say. Just a small collection. What do we put the cutting? Vegetables or everything?
Everything.
Yeah.
Meat,
I think I'm gonna try this one. The small one. I'll start small.
But it's not good for cut.
Okay, put back. All right.
Everything.
You recommend for me this one? Yeah, this is a proper one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's
Mean
go.
business.
Let's start.
That's a mean business.
Kalau yang lagu, di JJ yang ada tuh. You from here?
Yeah, I stand that side.
Okay.
All right. Is this my apron?
Yes.
Ah, you see, you thought of everything. Say.
Galangal. Okay.
Yeah.
This is Galangal. Shop
Say.
Galangal.
Yeah.
We make bumbu Bali first.
You don't even peel. You go straight in.
No pill.
Yeah. That's hard roots. I'm scared for the video. Not everywhere. I love that you actually use the skin with it because otherwise so much flavor lost.
Yes.
Ketika nyiapin apa?
Ares
Ares untuk
untuk bikin sup, bikin rawon. Mantap. Cai dulu mak.
There you go, working with a real chef, yeah. One chef, yeah. Fine chopping?
Yes.
No, not long, fine chopping, yeah.
Yes, let's start.
Not like this, I need another That's it.
suasana yang asik dan seru serta suara cacahan pisau membuat suasana menjadi makin asik karena memang cooking class di sini itu istimewa.
I'm different with the cooking class in other place.
Yeah, no, fair enough. And also,
I make the guests understand.
yes, better, yeah. But also, recipe for me is sometimes a guideline only.
Yes.
You must, it's all about the physical experience. You change it up sometimes. It's not always the exact same one.
I'm agree.
Yeah.
Medicine, traditional medicine.
Yes, yeah, that's all remedies. Clear the body like
Yeah.
this.
In Japa, the aromatic galangal,
Yeah.
they use jamu. You know jamu?
No, what's jamu?
Jamu, juice from the aromatic galangal.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Traditional juice.
Yeah. This is the best cooking
Yes.
environment. You're not inside a building. It's like the best, eh?
No air conditioner.
No, ala natural.
Kali ini Chef Charlene benar-benar mengikuti cooking class dari awal. Jadi memang dari membuat bumbu Balinya seperti ini.
Go.
I love the smell of it.
So good, man.
Big chili,
Big chili, yes.
ginger,
Yeah.
galangal, and chili padi.
Yes. Yeah.
So this is aromatic.
Okay.
Yeah, aromatic, lemongrass,
Yeah.
salam leaf,
Yeah.
and
Is that the candle nut?
no,
No. It's
coriander,
coriander, cloves.
clove, pepper,
Mm.
cumin,
Yeah.
little bit cumin for aromatic,
All right.
and for MSG,
Yeah.
candle nut.
That's
And,
magic. This the magic one.
Yes, this is a MSG.
Yes. There we go.
And what is it? Crispy shallot and crispy garlic for MSG.
Yes.
The complete, the Balinese sauce complete.
The natural.
Yes, the natural. This one body taste,
Yes.
and this one
Aromatic.
aromatic,
Yep.
and
magic.
The magic. Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah.
Money shot. He knows already.
This is here.
Yeah. Well, later. In the candle nuts, is that the nuts coming from the jackfruit, or where is it coming from? The candle nut.
Candle nut fruit.
Oh, it's candle nut
Yes,
fruit.
yes,
Okay.
candle nut fruit.
I wasn't sure if it's the nuts in the jackfruit.
Yeah, similar.
Similar?
Almost,
Yeah? Yeah, okay.
But the taste different.
Yeah, okay.
Setelah cacah rempah selesai, kami menuju ke proses berikutnya. Dan memang di kampung tetangga ini sudah disiapkan semuanya.
There you go.
Cumin, coriander seed,
And that fine
yeah,
toast.
black and white pepper, clove.
Yeah. That's a proper workout.
Proper workout ya.
No need gym you today.
No, Jim needed.
Oh.
That's just make paste. You make it very fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine, huh?
Fine ya.
Paste.
Kurang deh. Agak sama.
Japanese mochi.
Yes, yeah.
The one of the best.
Yes.
The one that
That's a two-man job. Thought you had nail polish on, but it's turmeric.
Yeah.
I was like,
No nail polish.
using a fancy nail polish on
The people know if my when my hand yellow color,
Yeah.
zero get money.
Jangan get mad.
Orang rumah gini balsam. Sound again.
Yes, exactly. I'm telling you. It's a number one hit here.
For soup.
Yeah, proper. Back to the kitchen.
Balik ke dapur. Tarik kipasin lagi aku manis nih.
okay.
Just boil coconut milk
Yeah.
until separate.
And then, okay. Yeah. Proper. So. Checking your temp. There you go, that's a good sound, huh?
if you want to try.
Apinya nggak?
Maybe enough. And then it tastes raw.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know if you've experienced that,
Why that?
but yeah.
Biasanya ada na biasanya na itu terus nanti kok mateng gitu.
Okay.
Yeah, like releasing more of the flavor. Bit of magic salt.
Magic salt.
I say.
Is that tuna?
Yeah. I can pass it. I don't eat much in Australia. Very expensive in Australia. Yeah.
I'm not really that much of liking.
No, you don't like?
It's not that I say I don't like, kinda I prefer not to.
Alright,
Kind
yeah.
of bored.
It's,
Sometimes I eat this.
maybe it's because you've eaten it too much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, with the Japanese, they do that okabushi where they dry out the tuna, shave, make tuna flakes. Bonito flakes. Yes.
Nah, sambil menunggu bumbu tadi siap digunakan, kami sediakan rujak tuna. Sampai jumpa di episode berikutnya.